Safety Technology International. Rely on STI. In a post-pandemic world, contactless solutions are vital. The NoTouch button prevents the spread of germs by eliminating the need to touch door handles. The NoTouch uses infrared technology to detect motion up to 15 centimeters away. Available in cast aluminium or medical grade stainless steel, the NoTouch comes in a variety of sizes to suit many applications. Language and custom text options are available, as well as 3 interchangeable illuminated LED message lenses on cast aluminium models. The NoTouch is ideal for public buildings of any kind to stem the spread of germs.